At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a virtual assistant (VA) business can be an exciting venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Assess your skills and services. Determine what skills you have that can be offered virtually. Common services include administrative support, social media management, email management, data entry, customer service, etc. 2. Market research. Research the demand for virtual assistant services in your chosen niche or industry. Identify your target market and understand their needs. 3. Create a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, services offered, pricing structure, marketing strategies, and financial projections. 4. Choose a business name and legal structure. Select a name for your business that reflects your services and is memorable. Decide on the legal structure of your business, sole proprietorship, LLC, etc., and register it with the appropriate authorities. 5. Set up your workspace. Create a dedicated workspace in your home with the necessary equipment and tools. Ensure you have a reliable internet connection, computer, phone, and any software or tools you may need. 6. Develop your brand. Create a professional brand identity including a logo, website, and business cards. Your website should showcase your services, expertise, and contact information. 7. Set your rates. Determine your pricing structure based on factors like your skills, experience, and market demand. Research what other VAs are charging for similar services and price competitively. 8. Legal and financial considerations. Obtain any necessary business licenses or permits. Set up a business bank account to keep your personal and business finances separate. Consider consulting with a legal or financial advisor for guidance. 9. Marketing and networking. Utilize online platforms such as social media, freelance websites, and networking events to promote your services and connect with potential clients. Build relationships with other professionals in your industry for potential collaborations or referrals. 10. Develop client contracts and policies. Create contracts outlining the terms of your services, including payment terms, confidentiality agreements, and scope of work. Establish clear communication channels and boundaries with clients. 11. Provide excellent customer service. Deliver high-quality work and excellent customer service to build trust and credibility with your clients. Respond promptly to inquiries and requests, and consistently meet deadlines. 12. Continuously improve and grow. Stay updated on industry trends and continuously improve your skills to stay competitive. Seek feedback from clients to identify areas for improvement and adapt your services accordingly. Starting a VA business requires dedication, hard work, and perseverance, but with careful planning and execution, it can be a rewarding and successful venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.